Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Hongxin MS3089 milk foamer. There's an image of the milk foamer right over here. This comes with some specifications. It says, milk foamer MS3089 creates foamy milk in seconds. Soft touch housing, stainless steel whisk, easy to clean, battery operated. It requires two AA batteries which are not provided. I'll open this box and show you what's inside. There you go, as you can see, this is the green variant milk foamer. And this is what it looks like. This is what the milk frother or milk foamer looks like. This part is made out of plastic, very hard plastic. It comes with this soft touch housing as well. The batteries go in over here. You can see this strip over here. So as I mentioned, this already has two AA batteries in them, and this is basically the frothing slash foaming attachment. As you can see, this is what the extension looks like. And in order to run this, all you have to do is press this button over here. This is a pressure sensitive or a trigger sensitive button, so you have to press it while it makes the foam, and when you don't want it to make the foam, you just let it go, just like that. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Hongxin MS3089 milk foamer. Thank you for watching.